everyone, my name is Emmy Reyes and I'm the Director of Environmental Health and Safety here at SOCMA. I have a quick question for you. Does your facility have an EcoVadis rating, or are you looking to enhance your sustainability journey for your facility? If your answer is yes, then you would not want to miss this ESG workshop that SOCMA has put together in cooperation with our member company, Cambrex. This workshop is a perfect venue for you to hear from industry experts who will share their interesting journey on how they achieve the much coveted EcoVadis rating. It's going to be a highly interactive event. We're going to have roundtable discussions, breakout sessions, and panel discussions where we will be sharing ideas and interest on how you can gain your EcoVadis rating. So, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendars now and join us on April 8 and 9 at Cambrex facility in Charles City, Iowa. We hope to see you there.